Alright, so since we're dividing by 5, I have my top-bottom chart for 5. We have our decimal, we bump our decimal into place, and then we cover this up and we break it down into tiny pieces, right? So I start by thinking about 4 being the total. How many groups of 5 could I circle if I only have 4? 0. I'm going to put a 0 right there. I'm going to move that over, and now I'm going to think about 43. If I had 43, how many groups of 5 could I circle? So use this as a help. Get as close to 40 as you can, 43, and that number that would go on top would be 8. And now we've just divided. So we multiply 8 times 5, and we know 8 times 5 is 40 because we already have it written down. And then we subtract 43 minus 40. And what do we get? 3. Alright, the next thing I want to do is bring down the next number, which happens to be 5. And so at this time, I'm going to think about if I had 35 dots, how many groups of 5 could I circle? And I go down and I get 7. 7 goes on top. And 7 times 5 is 35. And 35 minus 35 is what? 0. Bring down your 0 because we got to finish the problem out. And we start all over again. If I had 0 dots, how many groups of 5 could I circle? 0. 0 would go right here. 0 times 5 is 0. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So I'm going to go back to my Waxy Wonders where the answers are. And I'm going to look for 870. And I see it right here. So we must be right. Okay?
I understand now. I see what I did wrong.
Okay.